Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money making method that's literally going to pay you to watch videos, guys. I'm going to show you how you can make this 100% passive by doing this simple trick. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money in 2020. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is the application right here, guys. I'm about to show you inside of the application itself, and I'm also going to show you how you can actually automate this application so you can start making passive income by watching videos while you sleep, watching videos while you take a shower, watching videos while you're possibly at work if you're an essential worker, and even on top of that, guys, watching videos while you guys are going through the virtual school. And I also want to show you a special thing at the end of this video or during the middle of this video, guys, so make sure you keep on watching until you actually find out, and you will know when you get there, guys. So let's get started with this method. So this is the application right here. As you can see, we only have 673 users or reviews on this application itself. It is almost a 5-star on the Google Play Store, guys. So this is a really awesome application. I've already seen payment proof on this app itself, so I'm about to show you how I can actually automate this application and inside of the app. So let's get started. So as you can see, guys, we're already inside of the application itself, and this is going to be on my actual mobile device on my phone. So I'm going to show you how this is going to start to work right now. If I just click this button right here that says play, that is the bot that's going to be running for us. So as you can see, we just got through click and play right here. Here's the pause button. So it's just going to wait for a couple of seconds. So possibly, like, I think I put it to 10. It's either 10 to 12 seconds, and it's just going to keep sliding up for us. And I'm about to show you how you can actually get this up and running on your Android device. I am not sure if this is on your Apple device as well, guys. You can see it's kind of like glitching because my finger wasn't really getting noticed by the bot. So it's just keep going. It might glitch here and there by trying to slide up itself. But how you can actually make money off of this application is by filling in this circle, guys. And in order for you to fill in this circle, you just literally just got to keep on sliding up and watching these little clips that actually people can upload, which is right here on this top right hand corner. You can upload your own video and actually have people watch it for you, just like TikTok, guys. You can see there's hearts, there's comments, and there's actual share button right here, guys. So every video is getting me around 50 to 60, and you can get even more points than that once you reach this 6 or this 3 out of 6 I guess redeems of coins. So as you can see, this one's I'm going to redeem 60 coins right there, guys. So I'm about to show you my history and how this is actually working for me, and then I'm going to get into the actual process of making this passive. As you can see, I just paused the bot, guys, so it's not going to slide up anymore. It's going to stop right here. So if I just click play and let it slide up, the actual timer is going to keep going. So let me slide up and show you. So I just slid up, and as you can see, it just started to go again. So that is a really cool feature inside of this application, so people can actually watch the videos. But I'm going to show you how you can make it passive, guys. So let me show you this real quick. So let's go down to the bottom middle button where there's like a gift right here. So if we go to the points, I have already accumulated 2,573 points, and that was just today, guys. So let's click on that real quick. So that's a total of 26 cents right there, guys, for doing absolutely nothing, and it was 100% passive. Look at these claims right here: 60 points, 58 points, 54 points, 50 points, 150 points, 40 points, 61. So you can see the range of how much points you will be getting by watching per video. And if we go over here to where it says redeem the points, you can exchange these points into actual money. So we can just redeem them all and then get the actual 25 cents or 26 cents after we reach a couple more points and the actual redeem process. And we can actually withdraw this money once we reach $5, $10, $20, or $50, guys. So I can actually redeem the 30 cents, but I wouldn't really want to do that right now. I'm going to wait till I reach like $5 to $10 in order to actually redeem through PayPal. So I have seen payment proof on this money making application itself. So I just wanted to show you this brand new money making application, and I'm about to show you how you can actually make this passive, guys. And I'm actually about to show you how you can possibly get 5 friends to invite to get that $110 followers, guys. So that is a really cool referral system, and I'm gonna leave my link down in the comment section of this video and in the description, guys. And don't worry, because I'm about to show you a cool thing I have just created for all of us to actually start getting some more communication within one another, because I've seen a lot of other YouTubers actually have like their own Facebook group chat or their own little chat within themselves. So I'm about to do something for you guys, or I've already done something for you guys, so just keep on watching. As you can see, you're gonna get a $1 sign up bonus if you click on the link down in the comments section of this video. So this is the application. I'm going to show you how you can actually make that application, that watching video application, 100% passive. This does not need any roots on your Android device. It is called ClickMate, and I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video. It is a micro touch repeat auto clicker. So I'm about to show you this. I already have it installed on my app or on my phone. So as you can see, I'm already a pro user. You don't have to be a pro user. You're only going to have 30 seconds to record on an application. So you don't need to be a pro user to use this method. I am a pro user just because I use this on multiple applications that run passively because of this app. So I went ahead and just purchased the application so I can have multiple recordings inside of this. So all you got to do is just click on record mode right here, guys, and then we're going to go right back to the actual application. So now, since we're actually back at the application, I'm going to show you how you can run it. So you're going to get a tab just like this one that's going around in circles on my screen on my phone, and we're going to click that red button that says record. So once we click on record, guys, we just need to do the movements whenever we're ready. So we can just do it like within 10 seconds. So we can count like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then go up with your finger, and then it should switch over. That is not good at all. Let's do another one real quick. So now, since we went up, we scrolled up once with our finger, that actual bot is going to record our motions and the time that we actually did that. So we can just wait another 15 seconds. So we can do 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then go up again, guys, and it's going to switch you to the next video. Now if we click on stop, that red button, we click on the 3 little lines right here. Now we're going to click on save. So once you save and load this application, you can save as, and save it as anything. I did ZYNN bots, or you can do ZYNN money, or just something like that, guys. Now once you click on save, you just go to where it says repeat counts and type in 0, because it says use 0 for infinity. And then once we do that, guys, you're finished. All you got to do is go back to the application and then just click on play, and then it's going to do everything for you guys. So as you can see, we went to that scene that one guy's hairy back, so that's why it went so quick right there. And now we're going to wait those 12 or 15 seconds, and it's just going to keep on doing this over and over again, guys. And we're just going to start accumulating these points like crazy. So within like the next 5 seconds, it should move up. So we're just going to wait to see if it moves up on its own, and that means that this method is working for us. So it just did it right now. Look, it just did it again, guys. So we possibly moved it again. I'm not sure if that was the time the person was there or something, guys, but this is still working. And I believe whenever it does 2 slides up is because we didn't record that long. So my first method, I recorded like 3 videos, so I did 3 sessions of 15 seconds. So that's why it went like, it took its time to actually slide up at the beginning of this video. And this one's going to slide up again because it just reset the whole auto clicker system itself. So this method is working, guys, and we're just going to start accumulating these points like crazy. So let me show you that one interesting thing that I have just created for you guys, for a whole community, so we can start making money and start communicating. Whenever I'm not making YouTube videos, I still have a source of communication with you guys, and I hope you guys can help each other out with this that I just created. So I have just created this Discord group server, guys, and I recently just found out about Discord and how these servers work literally just 2-3 days ago, and I was studying my butt off figuring out how this Discord stuff works. So I've created a welcome tab, a Discord rules, and this rules, I just added some stuff in there just until I get some traffic on this actual platform itself, so we can all start to communicate together on this platform. And just I want to start being there for you guys and with you guys even more. So we have an announcements tab, and I believe that once I upload a video, which is going to be tomorrow, which is going to be this video, this Discord group should show an announcement. Look, I just have another person that just registered, so thank you. And What this is going to do, guys, is it's going to show you announcements whenever I upload a brand new YouTube video on this platform, so you can actually be inside the Discord, get a notification once I get a YouTube video uploaded on YouTube, and you can actually watch it either from here or click on the link and it'll send you to YouTube, so you can get notified whenever I literally upload a video within a couple of seconds. Now we have a suggestion box right here, guys, where you guys can start to suggest me information on what you might want on this Discord server, and I'm going to start doing like giveaways and stuff, but this is only going to be for the premium users, guys. So I'm going to be mostly inside of the premium tab or the channel on Discord, and within the premium, and I'm going to leave a special link for that if you guys are interested in being a part of the premium section or channel. And I'm going to be in there showing you guys the way my thought process is, what I do on a daily basis, and I'm going to show you money making methods just like the one I showed you today. And you're going to be the first people to know on these money making methods and these money making payment proofs that I'm going to be providing for you inside of the premium. And on top of that, guys, if you join the premium, you're also going to get in contact with me. You're also going to be able to message me whenever you want, and I'll be more than happy to talk to you and guide you through to be successful, that I've been studying over the years on how the brain works and why most people don't really get started and are not successful, because I was one of those guys. I was one of those people that have not been successful for a long time and just learning and learning and learning and never taking action. But I want to help you guys out now. I want to be there for you guys. I want to start to help people in being successful inside of their lives, inside of their mind, and just all in general, guys. I just want to start to communicate with you even more, because I get a lot of messages from the Fiverr gigs that I've been reviewing recently, and they just been saying, hey, all of your subscribers that get in contact with me want to talk to you, but they're just too shy to talk to you. Well, this is your chance to get in the premium session or channel of Discord, so you can get in contact with me and start talking to me on a daily basis, or whenever you have any questions. As soon as I can, I'll be able to message you back and possibly even talk with you guys through the mics of Discord. So that would be something really interesting. If you are interested in actually joining the free version of this, it just click on the link down in the description, guys. It's going to be in all of my videos, and we can just talk right here where it says let's talk about money or money making applications. But in order to actually get access to these two, you need to come over here to the Discord rules and just click on this check mark right here, guys, so you can get the verified membership and you can start talking to each other. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.